us spiritual beings? I'm in nature. Drove out today to Jekyll Island. Yes. I'm on one of the trees. The guy told me this tree is 500 years old. It is huge. This is the branch I'm on. So yeah, I'm just chilling. Came out here to relax and meditate. So let's meditate. Breathe in, out. Turn around. Deep breath in. Blow it out. Deep breath in. Out. In. Out. Let's get a deep breath in. Hold it. Blow it out. In. What I like to do, nothing. Meditate and relax. Jekyll Island, Georgia. Yeah. They have a lot of old oak trees, 500 and 375 years old. Yes. Those people rolled by earlier and they were saying some foul stuff out of their mouths. I was like, wow. Got to be careful. Not to me. Oh, of course not. There'd be yellow tape around here. Because I'm trying to meditate and I heard some stuff they were saying to each other. I'm like, wow. People have no morals. So, yeah, today is January the 2nd, 2023. And I'm out. I'm taking a drive today. I'm taking a drive out Jekyll Island and relax. There's a little mini airport behind me. It was an airplane over there. But yeah, this is a huge tree. Branches everywhere. So I'm just out in nature. Doing what I do best, relaxing. Relaxing. Came out here to meditate. Start the year off right. No drama, no stress. Just nature. Just out in nature, hanging out with the trees. Let's see what they got next. Yeah, just hanging out in nature. So I hope you all having a good year so far. It's only the second day. It's only the second day. Yeah, so let's spend more time with yourself in nature, meditating. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. This is what I'm gonna do. Get ready to head to the gym, get a good workout in tonight. So I'm just starting off with meditation. Second day of January 2023. Just getting ready for the foolishness that's gonna come our way. You know, these people, they're not gonna stop until they get us to do what they want. us to do. Not happening. Oh, that sounds good, doesn't it? That sounds good. So got just a short meditation video, just chilling in nature, thinking about nothing, absolutely nothing. So try to take time and take 15 deep breaths a day when you first wake up. Eat your blueberries and take 15 deep breaths. Let's do it now. Ready? 1, 2, in, out, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Awesome, guys. Take time, deep breathe, get in nature, and enjoy life. All right? Have a positive year this year, so they say. It's a new year. You know, I don't believe anything they tell me. But anyway, guys, be well.